Right fellas, now I love getting new tools, and this is my latest tool. It's a Makita DMP180Z. Basically a tyre inflator, or at least that's what I'm using it for. What I would probably call it is a mini compressor, because you can do all kinds with it. Now, one thing to bear in mind if you're thinking of getting one of these is you need the batteries. These are the batteries. This is a lithium ion 5 amp one. The reason I went for this tool is because I've got the batteries. I've got the batteries for, I've got the impact driver, I've got the circular saw, and I've got the chainsaw. This takes 2 batteries though, whereas the compressor, the saw and the impact driver just take the 1 battery. Right, so like I say, this compressor takes 1 battery, so all you do is this clicks on the back, like that. Then we've got the lead. The main reason I bought this is to blow my car tyres up. So let's turn it on. There's a power button on the side here. We'll press that. Then the top lights up. One cool thing you can do, right, is if you take this little like football inflator, then you can put it on here. That just pushes in, and you pull the little lever down at the back. Then what you can do is basically you can use it like a little airline. Just, can you hear that? Which I think is quite a cool feature. On the front here we've got that football inflator, we've got a bike tyre inflator, and we've got this little attachment which you would also use for the airline. It's got a light on the front which will come in handy if you're using this in the dark. So let's try it on a car tyre. Right, we'll pull this back. Right, then we'll plug this in. Right, so on the screen, this tyre, which holds air like an old bouncy castle, has 24.5 psi on. So what we're going to do is we're going to click, it's on psi, there, I was going to click it but it's already on. You can flick through, you've got bar, so it's 1.7 bar, or 170 kPa, I'm not sure what that is. But like I say, we'll use psi, and we'll want it up to, I normally put 32 psi in my car tyres. So all you do is hold this trigger down and it'll blow the tyre up. Looks like it's struggling to get the pressure in as the pressure gets up. There. Keep your finger down till it's done. So that's saying 32.5. We'll press our trigger again. Straight back up to 33. Keep the trigger in. It goes off. But we'll take that off now. That's up to pressure. This is actually quite a good fitting as well. You know how some of them just feel cheap and nasty. This is like good quality. This it doesn't feel like it's going to break anytime soon. Quite a nice little unit just to have in your boot. So that's it fellas. That's Makita DMP180. There is actually a new model out of this, but this one was a lot cheaper, and to be honest, for blowing car tyres up once a month, it's not worth the extra cash to me. If you are interested in one of these, I did pick this one up on Amazon. I think it was about £45 delivered. I'll leave a link below. If you've got one, let us know what you think in the comments. I'm sure the people will be interested to find your experiences with your Makita. But fellas, like I always say, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.